We have about 3-4 inches here already. So I'm just on my break for half hour. Might as well scrape this snow. Look at that. So otherwise it's gonna freeze later. I still have 4 hours of work. I mean 5 hours maybe. God, I hope this stops because tomorrow I'm gonna be driving after work to back to Wittenberg. So yeah, look at the top. Can you tell this is like, yeah, about 3 inches there. Oh, shoot. It's a lot of snow. This is the first day. I mean second day. Second snow of the year. It snowed like a week ago, but not this much. Alright, I think this is good enough. My phone is getting wet. Good thing I always carry a scraper year round. It's a good weapon too. Boop boop. Alright. I'm gonna sit in my car for another 25 minutes.